Hello, my name is Nina and welcome to my very first video and to my very first crazy adventure, where I stumble upon something I desperately want, but instead of buying it like a normal person would, I'm trying my best to make it myself. This time we're going to make potions, but not just, those basic potions. We want those artsy, fartsy, crazy potions with old labels so that they look like they come straight out of a wizard's cupboard. So I made some very professional sketches and we have 3 potions we're going to make today. The first one is called Bottled Nightmare, second one Dark Elf Blood, and the third is Catch Lightning. So yes, let's get started.
I wanted this potion to look old, so I started by dabbing some PVA glue onto the bottle with a sponge. When it dries, it turns clear, but the glass looks kind of milky and aged.
Okay, we have here the 2 bottles with the PVA glue on it. And now I'm going to let that dry and then I will add the wash. But in the meantime, let's mix some colors.
For the base mixture, I went with around 80% isopropanol. No tap water, because bacteria, weird stuff, and I really don't want something growing in there over time. For that nice swirl effect when you shake it, I added about 20% glycerin. Then I colored the potions using food coloring and added a bit of mica powder for that magical shimmer. Up to this point, everything was going suspiciously well. Too well for a DIY project, right?
I think the glycerine is too thick. This one, that's going to be the Dark Elf Blood. I wanted to change colors. If it's standing in the shelf, it should be black, and if I shake it, it should turn red. And that's not working with the glycerine because it's too thick. I'm going to refill this. Okay, the glycerine is done.
I refilled it, mixed it again, and just didn't work like before.
Okay, we have a little problem because this looks really weird now and I don't know why.
Of course, please hold while I fix the problem. I started testing different liquids to figure out what works best. On the left, the old mix, about 80% isopropanol and 20% glycerin. In the middle, 100% isopropanol, and on the right, 80% distilled water and 20% isopropanol. The last one worked the best, so that's what I went with. I mean, look how beautifully the color dissolves in there. So I went ahead and remade all the other potions using that mix and added color. Meanwhile, the PVA glue on my oil potion bottle had dried, so I added some washing, just acrylic paint mixed with a lot of water to make it look even older. Then I poured the potion in, and while doing that, I had another idea for a 4th potion. Polyjuice potion.
Okay, I shake it and it changes the color. Oh, that's so cool. So now that we have the base of all of our potions, we can finally start with the most fun part, decorating it.
I basically used everything I could find. Some cord around the bottlenecks, wax and hot glue for wax seals, and I even cut my own custom labels with my Cricut. And that's it. Here's the final result. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this little potion project, give it a thumbs up or maybe subscribe. And let me know in the comments. What's your favorite potion?